Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into the top 10 foods that can make a difference in the bedroom. Remember, this isn't about miracle cures, it's about making healthy choices that support your overall well-being, including sexual health. If you're looking for ways to feel more confident and perform at your best, keep watching. This one's for you. Number 1. The OG aphrodisiac. Kicking off our list at number 1 is a classic oysters. These little mollusks have been celebrated for centuries, not just for their unique taste, but also for their reputed aphrodisiac qualities. Oysters are a powerhouse when it comes to zinc, a mineral crucial for testosterone production. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a significant role in male sexual health, influencing everything from libido to performance. Higher levels of testosterone can lead to increased energy, confidence, and overall well-being. It's no wonder that oysters have earned their reputation as a natural enhancer of sexual vitality. Zinc also maintains healthy sperm, which is important for overall reproductive health. Adequate zinc levels can improve sperm count and motility, making it a key nutrient for those looking to start a family. Not a fan of raw oysters? No problem. Try them grilled with a squeeze of lemon and a touch of garlic. You might be surprised at how delicious they can be. Grilling can enhance their flavor and make them more palatable for those who are hesitant to try them raw. Even incorporating them into your diet a couple of times a month can make a noticeable difference. You don't have to eat them every day to reap the benefits. Just a few servings here and there can contribute to better sexual health and overall vitality. The bottom line is, don't underestimate the power of this little shellfish. Oysters are more than just a fancy appetizer. They're a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential nutrients that can support your health in various ways. So next time you're planning a romantic dinner or just looking to boost your nutritional intake, consider adding oysters to the menu. It's a small change that can give you a much-needed boost in the bedroom and beyond. Number 2, indulge your way to better performance. Coming in at number 2 is something I bet you'll enjoy. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, specifically with at least 70% cacao, is packed with flavonoids. Flavonoids fight off free radicals, which can damage blood vessels and hinder blood flow. Good blood circulation is key for peak sexual performance. Dark chocolate also boosts mood-enhancing chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. Enjoying a small square or two a day can support both your heart and your love life, so indulge a little, it's good for you. Number 3. This leafy green does more than you think. At number 3, we have a veggie that's a true nutritional rock star, spinach. This leafy green is not just a side dish, it's a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can significantly boost your overall health. Spinach is a great source of magnesium, crucial for sexual health, but that's not all. It's packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron, which are vital for maintaining a healthy body. Magnesium helps dilate blood vessels, essential for good blood flow. Improved blood flow means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to your organs, which can enhance your physical performance and energy levels. It also helps regulate cortisol levels, reducing stress, a major buzzkill in the bedroom. Lower stress levels can lead to better sleep, improved mood, and a more balanced lifestyle. Incorporating spinach into your diet can provide your body with the tools it needs to perform at its best. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance or someone just trying to stay healthy, spinach can be a game changer. Plus, spinach is incredibly versatile. Throw it in smoothies, saute it, or add it to your omelets. You can even blend it into soups, mix it into pasta dishes, or use it as a base for salads. There's really no excuse not to get your daily dose. With so many delicious ways to enjoy spinach, it's easy to make it a regular part of your diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some fresh spinach and start reaping its amazing health benefits. Number 4. This summer treat is surprisingly powerful. Sliding into number 4 is a juicy and refreshing fruit watermelon. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that boosts performance. Citrulline is a precursor to nitric oxide, which improves blood flow. Good blood flow is essential for sexual function. Next time you're at the grocery store, toss a watermelon in your cart. It's a delicious way to support your body's natural processes. Number 5. This ancient fruit packs a powerful punch. Coming in at number 5 is the pomegranate, revered for its health benefits. Pomegranate juice improves blood flow and reduces the risk of erectile dysfunction. Incorporating pomegranate juice into your diet supports overall cardiovascular health. Opt for 100% pomegranate juice without added sugars and enjoy it in moderation. Number 6. A handful of these can go a long way. At number 6, we have a snack that's both satisfying and beneficial: nuts. Plain, unsalted nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are packed with L-arginine. L-arginine is essential for nitric oxide production, improving blood flow. Nuts are also a great source of healthy fats, important for hormone production. Make it a habit to snack on a handful of nuts throughout the day. Remember, portion control is key as nuts are calorie-dense. Number 7, don't be afraid of this pungent ingredient. At number 7, we have garlic, known for its pungent aroma and health benefits. Garlic contains allicin, which improves blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. Good blood flow is key for optimal performance in the bedroom. Some studies suggest garlic may also improve testosterone levels. Incorporate garlic into your cooking for a subtle flavor boost and a healthy dose of allicin. No need to worry about garlic breath cooking. It can provide the benefits without the strong smell. Number 8. This creamy fruit is more than just trendy. Coming in at number 8 is the avocado, a nutritional powerhouse. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. They're a good source of vitamin E, protecting blood vessels, and vitamin B6, involved in testosterone production. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, crucial for libido and sexual function. Add avocado to your salads, sandwiches, or smoothies for a boost. Number 9, spice things up, literally, with this one. At number 9, we have chili peppers, sure to spice things up. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which increases blood flow and stimulates nerve endings. This increased blood flow benefits other areas of your body as well. Start with milder chilies and gradually work your way up to your spice tolerance. A little bit of spice can go a long way. Number 10, this potassium-rich fruit is a simple addition. Rounding out our list is the humble banana, beneficial for sexual health. Bananas are a good source of potassium, crucial for muscle function and blood pressure regulation. Potassium helps counteract sodium, reducing high blood pressure, a risk factor for erectile dysfunction. Bananas are also a good source of vitamin B6, involved in testosterone production. Next time you're looking for a quick and healthy snack, grab a banana. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables is the first step towards a healthier you. These colorful foods are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that not only improve your overall health, but also boost your confidence. So there you have it, your top 10 foods to add to your grocery list for a boost in the bedroom. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals can make a significant difference. From leafy greens to vibrant berries, each item plays a role in enhancing your vitality and well-being. Remember, a healthy sex life starts with a healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity such as jogging or even a brisk walk can improve your cardiovascular health, which is crucial for sexual health. Preparing nutritious meals at home ensures you know exactly what you're consuming. Make sure you're also exercising, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and practicing mindfulness. Yoga and meditation are excellent ways to reduce stress and improve mental clarity, which in turn can enhance your intimate moments. And seeing your doctor for regular checkups. Regular medical checkups can help detect any underlying health issues early on, ensuring you stay on top of your health. If you have any concerns about your sexual health, talk to a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and treatment options tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and healthy. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your journey to better health and confidence starts with small, consistent steps. Take care.